Select new project and select your 8 photos. Okay. Now add duration in your photos. In first photo, I keep duration 0.9 and next photos I keep duration in half 0.4. Next every photo you add duration 0.4. Now select here for add transition. Here you go to light effect and add blends effect. Okay. And here you click apply to all. Now all clips applying this transition. Now select first photos and go to animation, combo, and select V-sect to effect. Okay. Now go to second clip and animation. Here you add bounce to, and next every clips you add animation bounce to. Okay. Now here first clip you go to effect, video effect, and select camera shake from trending and add this video effect on the first clip. So I decrease its duration. And here you delete CapCut logo. And now see the final result. So friends, thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator. Please support me. Thanks for watching.